Hi, it's Dr. Joe Markovich, the anti-aging doctor. I'm here to show you your natural health emergency kit. I mean, this is what we have. Of course, you know, I have an office. We use Melaleuca Melagel if we have any kind of skin thing. Anything wrong with our skin, like a rash or some kind of a thing, what you think might be eczema, cold sore, you know, we use this Melagel or Melaleuca. You go get it online from a Melaleuca distributor. It's tea tree oil, but you don't get the cheap stuff. You got to get the good stuff. This stuff works. Sunburns, this stuff is great. You pull a muscle, we use BioFreeze, but they also have the good stuff from the Melaleuca company. Get it from there. I'm not trying to like freaking make any money off you. I don't give a damn if you get it or not. This stuff works if you want to do it. Put it on any kind of muscle pull, or you know, tight muscles, or you're sore, stiff, back pain. Put it on there. It works good. So that works pretty good. You get a cold, flu, anything where you're getting an infection, sinus, you got to take these vitamin C packets. I take like two. If I start feeling I'm getting the sniffles, I'll take 2, and I'll take 1 every hour till I'm better. Do it if you want. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. And also, this is a great thing for somebody who's like getting overheated, sweating or not sweating, or they're running a race. After a race, they feel faint. You give one of these packets in them right away, and then get 1 every hour in them till they feel better. This works real good. You got to keep people hydrated, or they can get hyperthermia, you know, just go nuts on you. Start doing it. You start having a tummy ache, any kind of a tummy problem, I like to use enzymes. I use these digestive enzymes. You can get them online. Go to my website, painfreefast.com, and I also use these really good ones. These are terrific, but they're expensive. Well, not that expensive. You can go to a store, you'll pay 50 bucks for this bottle. Off my website, it's like 25. So go online and get these from my website, painfreefast.com. Also, if you have a real infection where like you got either an abscessed tooth, or you got cut, or you feel like, you know, you got a urinary tract infection or whatever, Opticillin, you got to get it off my website. You can't get it anyplace else. I tried to get them to sell it. They don't want to do it. You call our office, and we've got to give that to you. So just go on my website, painfreefast.com, and you can, you know, get this stuff. But Opticillin is one butt-kicking, anti-viral, antifungal. It builds your immune system. It's just one of those things that gets everything. It works really great. I've been using it for years. I took it for anything. I had people that were dying, and they took this stuff and it cured them. So you got to keep 1 or 2 of these around. So keep all those things around. Low energy. You feel like, you know, you're getting your blood sugar's dropping. Blue-green algae. You got to take this stuff. It's on my website. Go get it. It's great. Or you can call our office. This stuff works. I mean, if I found something else that was better, I'd tell you that. This is the best I've found. The company is run by great people. The product is fantastic. They treat the product good. It's just like, you know, they catch the stuff and then they chill it right away. I mean, they catch it. They scoop it out of the lake. And they pull it from a perfectly pristine environment. Blah, 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 blah. It works great. Pulled muscles. Also use this kinesio tape. This stuff's good to have around. We keep it. We use it for all kinds of things. You have varicose veins, throw this on there. Pulled muscle, dislocations, to get it popped back in, of course, and then you use this on there to hold it. This is a really great thing. It's kinesio tape. You can get that online. It's not cheap, but it works great. I mean, it lasts for 3-4 days at a time. Anything to do with pulled muscles, this stuff works. So go with that. If you got like pain, and pain is just not going away, there's arnica that you can get. These little stupid arnica pills. You get them from the homeopathic. I mean, I would get a whole homeopathic grouping. Get yourself like 4 or 5 different homeopathic remedies that work. Arnica's one of them. Chamomile. I mean, you know, you go in there and you'll see there's a bunch of stuff in there, and then ask the hippie if they what you should use, and then it's there. Also, but if you're having pain a lot, get yourself a TENS unit. Just go online and get one. It needs to be set properly. but put it on burst or continuous and put it around 8 cycles, and then 180 hertz. I'm trying to think and talk at the same time. This doesn't work always. Yeah, it's a pulse width about 180 and the rate about 8, and then put it on continuous and burst, and you should be good. So but anyway, that'll help take the pain away, anything you got, until you can get to the doctor or whatever the case may be, to the chiropractor. And then you need to have me in your emergency chest, because that's the best thing for a chiropractor, best thing for somebody with any kind of an injury, chiropractic adjustment. So I advise that, and I hope you do it. And anyway, have a great one. It's Dr. Joe. That's your emergency kit.